Introduction. Anchor 1. Good morning, respected principals, so honorable teachers, and my dear friends. A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. We are delighted to welcome you to today's school assembly. Let's begin this beautiful day with a heart full of positivity and devotion by evoking the blessings of the Almighty. Prayer. Let us all join our hands, close our eyes, and bow our heads in prayer as we seek blessing from the God. After the prayer, thank you for that soulful prayer. A great start always comes from a peaceful mind. Thought of the day. To inspire us and fill our hearts with positivity, let's now listen to the thought of the day. I invite Rachi to share today's thought. Today's thought. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Thank you. Word of the day. Next, it's time to expand our vocabulary with the word of the day. I invite Komal to present today's word. Today's word is resilience, meaning the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Example. Resilience is what allows us to face challenges and emerge stronger. News. Now let's move on to staying informed about what's happening around. I invite Ram to present today's news headlines. News. See, here you can insert any national news, international news, sports news, or you can insert weather updates like today weather is expected to be sunny or cloudy with a high of insert temperature here. After the news, thank you for keeping us updated with the latest news and weather. Poem. Now to add some creativity and beauty to our assembly, let's enjoy a beautiful poem. I invite Meena to share a poem with us. Insert a motivational or nature themed poem. What a beautiful poem, Meena. It truly reflects the essence of positivity and hope. Thank you. Story. Stories always leave us with something to think about. To inspire us, I invite Lokesh to share a story. Insert a short motivational story about friendship, teamwork, honesty, or kindness. After the story, thank you, Lokesh, for that insightful story. A reminder to always be kind and helpful to others. Special speech. Next, to give us some valuable insights, I invite name of the speaker to deliver a special speech. Speaker. Insert a short speech about an inspiring topic such as discipline, hard work, or student responsibilities. After the speech, thank you for your wise words. We should always strive to do our best in everything we do. Pledge. Let us now stand and take the pledge as a promise to be responsible citizen of our country. Please rise and join me for the pledge. Everyone stands and recite the pledge. India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. Anchor 2. Thank you. Let's carry this sense of responsibility with us every day. Principal's message. Now I request our principal sir to kindly address the assembly and share the valuable thoughts with us. After the principal's message, thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening and inspiring words. We are sure that your message will guide us through the day. Guest, if any. We are honored to have a special guest with us today. I now request our chief guest name to share a few words with us. Chief guest can message about emphasizing values such as leadership, hard work, or patriotism. After the chief guest speech, thank you so much, sir, for those valuable insights. Your words have truly inspired us. Closing with a motivational poem. As we come to the close of today's assembly, let us end on a beautiful and positive note with a final poem. I invite Sakshi to recite a poem. That was perfect way to conclude our assembly. It filled us with optimism and joy. Conclusion. With that, we conclude our today's assembly. We hope that today's session has inspired you to face the day with enthusiasm and energy. Remember to always stay positive, work hard, and to be kind. Thank you everyone for your attention. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care, stay safe, and Jai Hind.